Hello coders, welcome back to Simply Dev. Okay, so now we will see that what is cleanup function in useEffect and how we can use it. So before understanding the practical application of cleanup function, let's understand the main cause for cleanup. कि use क्यों करना है cleanup function? So let's see that कि use क्यों करना है उसको. So let's assume that we are on the create page. So we are on the create page right now. So what I will do is that I will click on home page link. So this is the home page link, and within few seconds I will try to click on create link. So what will happen? We will get one error. So let's do that. So right now I am on the create page. So I will just click on the home page, and within few seconds I will click on create. Okay, so now the question comes in mind that what is this error says? What is this particular unmounting error says? So unmounting error क्या कहते हैं कि हम कुछ अपना टास्क कर रहे थे, कुछ हमारा टास्क कंप्लीशन चल रहा था बैकग्राउंड में, एंड सडनली हमने उसको अबॉर्ट करना चाहा, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू साइमल्टेनियसली डिफरेंट टास्क. तो इसको इजी वे में समझते हैं. अभी हमने क्या किया, तो मैंने क्या किया कि मैं क्रिएट पेज पे था. So I was on the create page, and when I just click on the home page link, so at that particular time we were fetching our data at the home component. But what I did is that suddenly I just click on the create page section. So I don't want to just fetch the data now. I want to go to create page. So मेरा वो fetching वाला part abort होना चाहिए कि अब मुझे ये fetch नहीं करना है. अब मैं न्यू पेज पे आ गया हूँ, क्रिएट सेक्शन में आ गया. बट उस समय हो क्या रहा था कि while moving from home page to create page, our fetching was still going on in background. So वो अभी भी बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा था. तो हमारी पूरी तरह से अनमाउंटिंग नहीं हुई थी. That means that so what does unmounting means that कि हमारा जो कंपोनेंट था वो DOM से रिलीज नहीं हुआ था, रिमूव नहीं हुआ था. So for that particular thing, we have to use cleanup function. And so this cleanup function is used in particularly useEffect hook. So here you can see that there is useEffect function, and in that particular function, not a function, it is a hook. So in useEffect hook there is one function called cleanup function. So we have to return some value from useEffect. So you can see on line number 31 there is one anonymous function. So it is an arrow function, and from that we are returning abort method. So I will explain that what is that particular abort. But here you can simply see that if you have to return a cleanup function, you have to just simply by using a return keyword you can return any function. Okay, so this was it. So अभी मैंने इसमें क्या किया है? So I want that if I am unmounting a component and going for the other component, so I want that our fetching, which is our side effect, so it should be aborted. तो उसके लिए मैंने क्या यूज करा है, abort controller, which is basically just a JavaScript. So you should know about that. So यहाँ से मैंने I have used abort controller. तो ये इसका एक इंस्टेंस है ऑब्जेक्ट, abort. So in fetching, I am passing two arguments basically. So first is our URL, okay, and second one is our signal property. So in signal property I have value that abort.signal. So abort is our object and dot signal is property for that. Okay, that's fine. Yes. Now let's see that मैंने इसको यूज कहाँ किया है, कैसे किया है. So what I want is कि जब भी मेरा कंपोनेंट अनमाउंट हो, तो उस समय पे क्या होगा कि ये जो क्लीनअप फंक्शन है रन होगा. So it will abort. So at that particular time I want to abort that method. So okay, so I have used that abort from here, and उसका I have used one method called abort. Okay. और So that's it. And also one more thing, there is one more thing, that uh, if we are just aborting this fetch, so fetch एक अपना error दे सकता है. So if that particular error is abort error, so मैंने उसको if else case में डाला. So I will just put console.log fetching aborted. Otherwise हम अपना state change करेंगे, set error को एक error message पास करेंगे कि अगर वो abort error नहीं है. That's it, simple. तब वो error तुम्हें नहीं आएगा. You can just try it by yourself. So now let's quickly sum it up that what is cleanup function. So cleanup function is a function which will basically return a value in useEffect root. Okay, this was the first point. And the second is that cleanup function basically is used for just aborting the side effects, or we can say that cleaning up the listening or subscription part. So this was all about cleanup function.